Today guys, I show you how to make this. How to make your own toy in ChatGPT. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and enjoy this video. Okay guys, first you need to do, just open your browser and open ChatGPT. After you open site, make sure you create account and login, because you can create it. And save this like me. I also leave you this text in description of video. Just change here your name, I put my name, and you will see your profession. Type like me, YouTube or what you love. After you send this to ChatGPT, just upload an image of yourself. Go on this plus, click on it and go here upload. Choose your photo with your face, or you can choose your logo like me. After you do this, just send this command and you will see here start walking. Just wait for this. After you finish this like me, you will get your action figure like me. Tell me in comments, do you like this? After you complete, you can go right click and save your image. It's 4K image. And that's it all guys for this video, how to create toy action figure on ChatGPT. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel, and I see you in the next video.